Remove paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today, we'll learn how to remove space before, after, or around paragraphs in Word. First, place the cursor in the paragraph where you want to remove space. On the Home tab, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing menu, and select either Remove Space Before Paragraph or Remove Space After Paragraph option. You can hover over the desired option to preview the effect. Click on an option to apply. If you want to clear the spacing before and after the paragraph, simply click the other option as well. Now, let me undo the removal first. Then, I'll select multiple paragraphs, and click the Remove Space After Paragraphs option, so I can apply the removal to all of them at once. With Kutools for Word, you can remove spaces before, and, or after paragraphs quickly with one click. Select one or multiple paragraphs, where you want to remove space. On the Kutools tab, click Paragraphs, and select the desired option as needed. Here, I will select the Clear Paragraph Spacing in Selected Ranges option, to remove both spacing before and after the selected paragraphs. To apply the space removal option to all paragraphs in the document, simply ensure no content is selected and then click the desired option. A confirmation dialog box will appear, click Yes. To download Kutools for Word, find the download link in the video description or on our website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.